Hello everyone, I'm Anton and we're at the English lesson. Today we're going to talk about space. We'll learn the vocabulary connected with this topic and practice our reading skills. We'll also analyze the development of this space exploration and discover the newest technologies in this sphere. Did you know that now you can not only see, but also hear Mars? It's amazing. Let's learn some new vocabulary. The topic that we are discussing is space exploration. When talking about space, we might also say the universe. People who work in the field and study rockets are rocket scientists. They can make a breakthrough, an important new discovery. To achieve success in space research, a person needs perseverance. A visionary is a person who has clear ideas about the future. Now a few words about rockets and spaceships. I'm sure you heard of SpaceX, Elon Musk's corporation which makes rockets and spacecrafts. Besides rockets, Elon Musk wants to launch satellite internet around the world. Space scientists launch missions and send spaceships into orbit or further. A rocket must safely land. Astronauts dream of setting foot on other planets. But for now, robots collect samples from them. Now let's practice this vocabulary a little. There are 5 sentences on the screen with 2 options. Pause the video, read the sentences, and choose the correct option. Okay, time to check them. 1. A new spaceship which was launched in February safely landed on the moon. 2. Satellite internet will give people access to the fastest internet connection ever. 3. Neil Armstrong was the first man to ever set foot on the moon. 4. 3 separate missions were launched in 2020 which can be called a breakthrough in space exploration. 5. A Mars rover is a machine which can collect samples from the surface of the planet. So now let's read the text. While reading, try to find out what's happening in space exploration now. Space exploration started in the far 1960s and since then hasn't stopped for a moment. But a real breakthrough in exploring the universe has been made for the last couple of years. It's no wonder, because if the governments are ready to invest huge money, sooner or later it will bring the results. For instance, only in 2018, the USA spent $20 billion to sponsor NASA. In 2020, a new mission was launched. Of course, a lot of time was spent on testing and pre-launches, but finally, in February 2021, a Mars rover called Perseverance successfully landed on Mars. Since then, it has given us plenty of detailed photos, panoramas, and even sounds. It's also going to collect rock samples for future researchers. NASA isn't the only organization trying to find life on the red planet. There is a person, a true visionary, who has a goal to set foot on Mars before he dies. Elon Musk is a worldwide name now. Besides self-driving cars and satellite internet, his dream is to take ordinary people like himself to Mars and colonize this planet. His SpaceX corporation has created Dragon spacecraft and Falcon rockets. Each successful launch is a breakthrough and not without a sense of humor, like sending a Tesla car into orbit accompanied by the song of David Bowie. It's hard to predict, but looking at what rocket scientists can do now, Elon has a good chance to make his dream come true. Can you imagine what might happen in 30 years? I guess if I'm not going to Mars, my children will. Guys, now your turn. Here are 5 sentences. Are they true, false, or not given in the text? Pause the video, go back, read again, and decide. Write down your answers. Now we can check them. 1. People started exploring space in the 1950s. It's false. People started exploring space in the 1960s. 2. The USA invested $20 billion in total in NASA researchers. It's also false. The USA invested $20 billion only in 2018. 3. NASA plans to launch a new mission in 2021. It wasn't given in the text. 4. The big dream of Elon Musk is Mars colonization. It's true. 5. A Tesla car was once traveling around the orbit. This one is also true. Well done, guys. That was quite interesting to learn about space. Now you know how to talk about space. You can discuss space exploration and describe the latest technologies used in this sphere. By the way, have you heard about any of them? Which one? Thank you for watching, and bye.